Swing the whole bottle. Take the bottle out his hand, and now all of y'all want to run up. Well, fuck, y'all should have been did something. Stupid asses, take the bottle out his fucking hand.
Chill the fuck out.
All right, let him go. They got the bottle. He got the bottle already. Let him go.
Chill the fuck out.
Well, get him off the train. Get her. Cause they not even. Get both of them off the train. Fuck.
Get the fuck off this train. Get the fuck off this train. I need the police.
You want to stop the train, mister? It's a
Get
race.
the fuck off this train. I want to go home. I'm gonna get you off the train. That's what I'm gonna fucking do.
Right, hands on the train.
Get the fuck off the train. You're gonna threaten other people in the fucking train.
Don't try to hit another man in the head with a bottle.
Talk to your wife. You wanna fucking hit her with a bottle?
On the J train.
Then what the fuck were you doing with that bottle? That's what you fucking do. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Get the fuck off the train. Get the fuck off this train. You're a fucking woman. Get the fuck off. Get the fuck off. You ain't gonna remember shit. Get the fuck off. Get the fuck off this train.
Hey, let's go to the train, bro. Let's go to the train.
Get the fuck off that.
It's outside. Let's go outside, man. Let's go outside.
Oh, you're in the other side?
Get the fuck off this train. I want you off this fucking train so I can go home. I want to get off this fucking. I want to go home. That's what I want to fucking do. That's what I want to fucking do. I want to go home. Fuck you. You're too fucking old to do this shit.
Calm down, relax. Don't even
Get the
argue with
fuck
him
off
no
the train.
Don't argue with him no more. Let's go.
Grow the fuck up. That's what you should do. I don't give a shit. I want to go home.
I'm arguing with him.
I'm going home. Fuck you.
Watch out, mister. Watch out.
Watch out. Come on. I'm on what? That's true. We need the police.
Stupid ass bitches making me mad. I'm ready to slap the shit out of you.
Police, man. J train right now.
Stop standing up. Sit down. Who's that, mister?
I'm on the
Who's
J
that?
train advancing to the platform.
None of y'all business. None of y'all business. I'm gonna tell them all. I'm gonna tell the cops.
At the advancing platform right now.
I'm gonna just attorney, you dumb.
There is a violent scene happening. We need to come.
I'm a district attorney.
We need the
You
police
go
at
home
the
and you made
advancing.
that call. You made that call, we can't go home. You have to make that call.
Why? That bottle is gone. That bottle is gone. They threw it.
We don't need
They
no
threw it.
problem.
They threw the bottle. Like, get the fuck on. You worried about a bottle, bitch. Go. Fuck. Why you calling me? Because you stupid. That's why. Because you stupid, bitch. Stupid ass. You can barely even open your eyes up. What you want to do? Bitch, I'll tear you up. Alright, come tear me up. Miss, you too doped up for me to even be touching you. Get the fuck out of here. I want to see you turn. You sit here, take up for a nigga, after you done banged your fucking head all over to the door. There's fucking kids on the train, yo. Y'all bugging. Down somewhere, yo.
Please.
You come over here by me, I'm gonna take you. You come over here by me, I promise you I'm gonna hurt you, miss. All right, move, Papa, move back.
No, calm down.
Calm down. Get my hand over here. I dare you hit me with that body. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
We don't need that. All right.
Go ahead.
We don't need that. No.
No, you ain't sorry. You better go ahead. Let the door go.
Relax.
Let the door go.
Relax.
Get the fuck out of here. I wouldn't even waste my time on y'all. Look at y'all.
You don't need to get locked
Two
up.
fucking
You don't need to
drunkies.
get locked up.
Dumb bitches. Come here, Papa.
Come on, let's go home.
Stupid ass. Doing all of that and there's fucking kids on the train.